Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a gorgeous body off 1970 El Camino SS. I got the owner here. He's going to tell us a little bit about it.
Alright, this is my car. It was a body off restoration. It's got a powder coated frame. It's all been done over. The interior, seats, cushions, carpet. It's got vintage air, heat and cool in it. It's got a 12-volt original factory Posi, 273 gears. It's a 350, 300 horse with a 350 turbo. Dual exhaust. As you can see, the car is super clean. It's got power steering, power brakes. There's no rust on this car whatsoever. Everything is new. The only thing I do is put gas in it and drive it.
Yeah, turn the key and go, right?
Yep, that's it. It's a beautiful car. You'll love it.
It is beautiful. Complete body off restoration. Every nut and bolt has been changed on this car.
Wiring's all done over.
Everything's new.
Yep.
Brand new.
It's got an HEI distributor. I have the factory distributor if somebody is a purist and they want it. I got the original Quadrajet carburetor and air cleaner. I put an Edelbrock on it, but I have all the original stuff for it, so it's 100% matching numbers original.
It is pretty. Got a great stance to it too.
Yeah.
Really nice.
It's a comfortable car, very comfortable. AC works great, heat works great.
Gotta have air.
Yeah.
Definitely my requirement.
Without a doubt. Everybody calls them a hot rod. I call a cool rod.
Cool rod, exactly. Paint is gorgeous, as nice as it could be. I'd rate this a 9. The stripes are all cleared in, so there's no vinyl or anything like that. Those are painted.
Got new tires on it.
Yeah, Rally 2s, wrapped in brand new rubber. Beautiful chrome and stainless. All the lenses, all the hardware, the nuts, bolts, everything is fantastic.
Body bed, there's no rust whatsoever on this all the way. Comes with a rubber mat and the tonneau cover.
Beautiful. Look at that, brand new. Looks like Marina Blue.
Yeah, I think that's what they call it back then. Yeah. I think Marina Blue, Phantom Blue. I don't know. Chevy.
Phantom's a little darker.
Chevy Blue.
Could be Marina.
And everything works. Backup lights, brake, everything works.
Everything. Turn the key. Show go. Right down to the gasket underneath the door handle. Look at that. Blue on blue. So pretty. Showing a little over 100. Actually 40,002 miles, right? How many miles on the restoration?
When I got the car, the guy told me it's original miles on the car.
Wow, 40,000 original miles. Vintage air. Cool me off.
AM/FM radio.
Looks like a vintage sound system, added gauges. Love the horseshoe shifter with the buckets. And this car is new, new, new. 40,000 mile original car. Wow. Got a nice sound to it too.
Everything's good. After the gas cap and bumpers.
Very cool. Can you pop the hood?
Yeah.
Nice as it gets. We got power steering, power brake, vintage air. I like that it's got manifolds on it.
Oh yeah, so stop.
Very nice.
No headers, no gaskets. New wiring. The guy put a 4-core radiator in it.
Oh, big 4-core radiator, huh?
With a front fan.
Very cool. You can see the blockhead on the website. It matches. Original motor here. 40,000 mile car. Not many miles on the restoration either, huh?
No, supposedly the guy bought it from, bought it from an estate sale. It was sitting. He got it and then he had it sent out to be restored.
Wow.
So as far as I know, he told me it's original miles on the car.
Very cool.
It looks it too. So,
it does.
You know.
Can we buzz it around the block?
Yeah, sure.
Let's go. And the hood shuts beautiful. Look at the lines on that. Gorgeous. conditioning's so nice. It's so hot here today. Feels like it's about 90, right?
Yeah. Comfortable. Transmission shift's nice.
It's a brand new car.
Yeah.
Guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, pricing, and details on our main website, webeautos.com. Keep in mind, we do offer worldwide shipping and financing, so give us a call soon. Thanks a lot. And thank you so much for showing us your car.
Thank you.
Beautiful.